Welcome to the 5-day Facebook Prospecting Challenge. My name is Jennifer Gabat, and I'm so excited that you've been able to join me. I'm going to cover today 5 simple steps that's going to revolutionize the way that you do business. On day 1, I'm going to show you how to manage your friend requests so that you're only connecting with high-quality prospects. On day 2, I'm going to show you how to get those prospects to raise their hands for more information about your product, your service, or your business opportunity. On day 3, I'm going to show you how you can get leads and sales with any business with Facebook Live. On day 4, I'm going to cover how to use Facebook groups to sign up more customers and more reps into your business. And then finally, on day 5, I'm going to show you how to generate 20 plus high quality leads for free every single day to sponsor new members into your business opportunity weekly. So if you would like to participate in this 5-day challenge, click that button below, join the Facebook challenge, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside and look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.